Hey, what's up guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to another video, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So here in this video we're going to be discussing about how to start selling and make money on Legiit.com. So I will be showing you how to start selling on this Legiit website and how you can set up a gig and how you can start making money on this website. So I was just doing my research on Facebook and I noticed that the owner of this website actually dropped a comment on someone's post regarding this website. So and then I tried to like check what the website is all about. Then I figured out what people are actually selling on this website, and I think I should share with you guys so you can see what the website is all about. So the website link and the owner. So to share, okay, yeah, so you can proceed on register here, or you click on the link in the description button so you can proceed and see how you can start registering your account. So I already have an account here, so as you can see here, so I already set up an account on this platform. So this is my account. So then something that I noticed about this website is that there is no more competitors here than unlike other platforms like Fiverr or Upwork stuffs. Yes, there are some sellers there already, but it's not that saturated like other platforms, like I say. And the funniest part about this website is this: you can see the gigs that people are actually buying and rating. You can see this browse here, you can see top rated, best sellers, invoice listed, service, influencer picks. So you'll be able to notice what people are actually buying on this platform. So let's check on this bestseller to see what is actually all about. So as you can see here, the most purchased gig on this platform are something like backlinks, social media signals, quality Google reviews, all the stuff like this. So if you check on this page, you'll be able to see the service that people are actually selling most on this platform. And the funniest part is that the owner of this website is also offering a service on this platform. That's so funny to me, the word it's a great to make more money for him. So I don't know about it though. So as you can see here, these are the services that people are actually buying mostly on this freelancing platform. So then you can see top rated seller too, so you'll be able to get some ideas about the gig you should set up on this platform. Yeah, I'm not saying that people are not buying other service as well. As you can see here, if I check on graphics design category, so you'll be able to see that people are actually making money on this platform, be it any categories that your gig actually belongs to or your service belongs to. Definitely you are going to make money on this platform. And of course you can see all the payment option here. So sorry, I think the page is still loading. Okay, you can see all these payment method here that this platform actually accepts. So they pay through PayPal, Payoneer, Visa, Mastercard, Discover. So and you can also purchase a service on the platform. So and another thing is that they pay isn't of 15% for affiliate referral. So it's not that I'm actually promoting them, just a bonus if you are already a seller, and if you sign up through my link and then you purchase a service or you make any sales on the platform, so definitely I'm going to earn a 50% from that. But this is not the reason why I'm actually making this video, but just for you to leverage and make more money on online as a freelancer, just to double your income either monthly or weekly basis, depends on how you set up your goal. So either any of this category that I clicked on, there are sales and there are people that are already making money on this platform. So this is just for that, and I already show you how you can get started by setting up an account, and it's very easy to set up an account on this platform. It's very easy to set up an account on this platform. So you just need to input your name, email, username, password, then the confirmation, then what you're actually interested in, either buying on this platform or both service. Maybe you want to buy or you still want to sell at the same time, so it's very easy for you to set up at once. So then after you sign up, you'll be able to set up your gig and start selling on the platform. So then I think there are some people that actually rate this website versus Fiverr. So I won't rate this website with Fiverr because the rates that Fiverr can make you more money, this website cannot. So I won't rate this website with Fiverr platform at all. I won't rate it at all. But as time goes on, because Fiverr yet still not staying at a particular point, so they are trying to reach out to people to buy and sell on the platform. So I want to read this platform, and also this website have a mobile app, either iOS or Android device. So they have an app on the store, so you can see here, so you can download their app to see latest updates and also quickly get in touch with latest or if there is any buyer request stuff, so you can actually apply, or if you get a message regarding your service on the platform, so you're able to reply as soon as you can. So they also have a Facebook group here, so you can see the Facebook group where they can you can start to learn more and understand about the website. So you can see the owner here, Chris M. Walker. So then you can see what people are still saying about the website. So, and it's very easy to use based on my experience since I sign up an account. So everything is very easy to navigate, and you can see here they have a blog, they have a merch store, and more other features that some other freelancing platform doesn't ask on their website. So just make sure you set up your account and set up multiple gigs on the platform. So I believe as time goes on, definitely you are going to make your first sale and more sales as time goes on. So this is what I actually want to share with you in this video, so that you can add Legiit to your side also website as a freelancer to make more money online. So then I think they also have a premium package just as freelancer.com, but I'm not sure if I'm going to try this out because my experience with freelancer.com, when I tried the premium package, doesn't worth it in any way. I wasted the money and nothing was converted. So then I did not trust all this premium package stuff like that, because I didn't see anything there. Why should I have to pay to upgrade my account? For what reason? So then I don't think that actually needed. So aside from that, there is nothing there is no problem with the website, so everything going perfectly, and I love the interface. And then they also have this feature which is dark mode, and then you can switch to the normal mode. This is the normal mode, so you can see both 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 scenes are really cool. So that is what I noticed about this website. If you're actually interested, so you can get started and set up an account on this platform and start selling on Legiit.com. So that is all I have for you in this video, and I hope you guys like it in one way or the other, just to make more money on as a freelancer online. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.